and welcome to the Law School Playbook's 5 in 5 series. 5 points on a given topic in 5 slides in under 5 minutes. Today's topic is how to learn through synchronous classes. The first thing you want to do is prepare your space. You have to think about how you appear to your peers online. You have to think about what folks, including your professor, can see and hear from your screen. I had one student this summer that I teased that it always looked like she was in the witness protection program. We could never see her face on camera. It was there, but her room was so dark. So that doesn't really work well for purposes of connecting with folks through your synchronous class. Similarly, this person here doesn't look like she's ready to learn. If there's glare from the sun or something like that, perhaps relocate. This student here, conversely, looks like she is ready to study and she is conveying herself as the professional that she wants to be. So just think about preparing your space before you go ahead and log on to a synchronous class. You also have to prepare your mind. So before you log on to a class, look at the syllabus, see what the topic is for the day. Look at your previous notes, see where you left off. If you have an outline going for the course, see where you are in your outline. If you were confused about the reading or you have no idea, about the topic for the day, use a reliable supplement, probably one that's recommended by the professor, to prepare you on the topic. And formulate questions and make predictions about what's going to happen in class. That will cause you to be more engaged during the synchronous class. When you're in the class, try your best to focus on content. I know it's very difficult through Zoom and other forms of online learning, but take notes as you would if you were in the classroom. I think students tend to be looking at the camera a lot, at the screen a lot, which is understandable, but I think that the idea when that's done is, well, I'll go back and watch the video if I need any of this information. And you ultimately aren't going to have time to go back and revisit a lot of these videos if the class is recorded. So take notes just as you would in the classroom. And you can maybe, if you want to keep yourself accountable, share those notes with a partner. If looking at the gallery of all the students, of all the faces, is distracting for you, think about using speaker mode when you're on Zoom so you can only see the face of the person who's speaking, and that will reduce distraction. So, in order to engage and participate meaningfully, that means turn off all notifications, do not use social media, do not be texting a phone, do not be using your phone to text others during the class. Save your social time for later. So if you have a breakout room, for example, participate meaningfully. This is a way to connect with other students. This is a way to connect during class with your professor. So engage meaningfully. This is, costing you a lot of money to go to law school, and your ultimate goal is to become a lawyer, and you can get to that goal more assuredly if you are engaged. Afterward, follow up, ask questions. Just because we aren't physically present in the building doesn't mean that you can't go to your professors with questions. A lot of times professors will stay after, even on the synchronous classes, for that virtual podium time. So be sure you note as the class is going on things that you're uncertain about, and follow up with the professor or fellow students to get those questions answered. So as always, just do your best, and I'll be rooting for you.